Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on my December daily. We're going to be doing day 10 to day 12, and for this layout I'm going to go with the greens. Now the first thing I do is I choose all my backing cards for the greens or for whatever color I choose, and then I go in my peppermint numbers. And I just want to mention, because I've had several questions, that yes, those peppermints are in our shop. And we have regular peppermints where they go from, I think, 1.5 inch to 1 inch on one sheet. We have peppermints with numbers so that you can use them on your December daily in several colors. And we're going to be updating our colors too, because when I was doing this, I was like, hey, I think I'd like yellow. I think I'd like brown. So there's going to be some new colors this year coming with the numbers. And there's going to be some new digital files also, because as I'm doing my December daily, I'm like, hey, I think I'd like some poinsettias. And by the way, that was our new digital file for last week. I'm having some issues with my printer right now, so I'm hoping that I can fix those and then print the digital file so I can do my video where I show you all of, the new digital files. So there's quite a few die cut sheets that I had, and I pre-cut. And I'm telling you, a lot of the reason why I'm able to pump these pages out pretty quickly is because I did a lot of prep work. So if you're just new to my December daily, go back. I have a playlist, and I start with, the supplies that I have on hand, and then quite a few of the prep videos that I did, making some little with page protectors. I made some little page protector sort of like, and not envelopes, but 3x4 cards, if you will, with embellishments in it, and also some sequins. Last year, in preparation for December daily, because I hadn't bought anything new in quite a few years, I had bought quite a bit of stuff for, the new December daily from last year, which I didn't end up using because I broke my wrist on November 4th, and I just didn't feel like, doing a whole bunch of scrapbooking. But what it did was, now this year, I didn't have to buy anything. I had a whole bunch of stuff, but what I did was I went through all my 6x6 paper pads that I had. I ripped one sheet of them out. I cut them all at 4x6, so it left me with a 4x6 and a 2x6. And the 4x6, I either use it in the full sheet like it is right now, or I cut it down to 3x4. But I didn't do that at the very beginning because I don't know which one I'm going to use in the full sheet and which one I'm going to cut down. And I think I cut papers for almost 3 or 4 hours. So I have a ton of pattern papers cut apart, more than I will need for this year. And probably I'll have enough for next year. What I plan on doing is having my foundation pages done before December 1st, and I'm well on my way. I think I have 6 days left to do. Yeah, I know. I'm so excited. I have 6 days left to do, and then I plan on going back and finishing my 2019, because for 2019, although I have no pictures done for that year, I have pretty much all my foundation pages done. I think I have about that 6 or 7 pages left to do. So I'm going to finish this, and then you'll see me working on my 2019, hopefully before December 1st. So I'll have that done. And then from December 1st till the end of December, probably not every day, but every 2 or 3 days, you'll see me adding pictures to these foundation pages, and I'll add a little extra embellishments. But having these foundation pages done should really help me be successful this year and make sure that I finish my album by December 31st or, January 1st. Another thing I did to help me with this was we have quite a few digital files that are Christmas related, and to save me time, every day what I do is I go ahead and spend about an hour and I cut up a whole bunch of digital files. I put on an audiobook and I sit there and I cut digital files. And I love it. It's relaxing and it's putting me in the Christmas mood. And I never realized how relaxing cutting up die cuts could be. So that when I'm putting these pages together, it comes together quickly because I don't have to stop and cut apart some digital prints. Now, I make sure to leave quite a few places where I'm going to put my pictures, and also having them ahead. What it's going to do is the day of, I can open up my album and say, okay, today I need to take 4 pictures or I need to take 5 pictures, and then go from there. Okay, so I'll tell you what happened on this day. I did day 10, day 11, and then I had to go do something. And when I came back to do day 12, I forgot to push record. So I'm going to come to you real time and show you day 12 and what I did, what color I chose and how each of the little pages, I call them, turned out. Okay, so I thought I'd show you day 12 because I did this yesterday, and when I went to turn off the recording, I never turned it on. So this one here, I decided to do black and pink. So again, I did some black mats and some white mats. And then I used one of my pre-made little page protector embellishment, and I gotta make some more. I think I have 4 left. So I need to make some more. And then I just used some of our digital prints. We have, of course, the peppermint with the days. We have some Christmas bulbs, some little trees, and that's also one of our digital prints. And the Christmas gift, and the bird is one of our newest embellishments. But to me, I'll be able to use those birds in the summertime, but I'll be able to use them in my December daily. They are so cute. Now this morning, what I've been doing every day is spending about an hour cutting a whole bunch of digital prints. And this morning, because this was our newest digital prints, I decided to cut some of these. So I have a little container on the side here. This is from IKEA, and I just cut up a whole bunch of digital prints and I just stuck them in there. And as I do my pages, I just go through them and see what I can use on each page. I did use some washi tape on this one too. So that was fun. That was the first time in the first 12 days that I used washi tape. So I'll have to remember to do that. And yeah, so when I do put the pictures on, then I'm also going to add little titles with some letters and stuff. And I also have in my digital prints, I have Christmas words. So then with the embellishment clusters, I'll grab some words that will coordinate with the pictures that I'm using for that day. But I can't put the words on now, but at least the pages are all done. I just got to add pictures, a few words, and that's it. My December daily is going to be done. I'm almost halfway through the month. After I'm showing you this just before I start my next session where I'm going to be doing 13, 14, and 15. So after today, I'm going to be halfway done through the month. So I'm really excited about that. But that's it. I just wanted to show it to you because I had no footage of this. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.